company, and as you may be able to tell, we specialize in Tesla Roadster repairs. Now, we have a very unusual event this morning in that usually when Roadsters come here, they're dead. Oftentimes we have to pull them off of the transporters. The wheels may be locked. They need some sort of repair. We just happen to have 5 Roadsters currently that have all now been repaired. They're all driving. And another unusual occurrence is the color. This is what Tesla calls a very orange Tesla Roadster color, which was actually a Lotus color, but I believe Lotus called it something else. Now, I'm going to encourage the fact checkers that are watching this video to do some research and find out how many very orange Tesla Roadsters Tesla actually made. But it wasn't very many, and we happen to have 5 of them here this morning. And as you can see, they are pristine examples of Tesla Roadster. So each of these cars has a backstory, which is often the case with Tesla Roadsters. This particular car came to us. It was sold, but it had a battery problem, so it got shipped to us to repair the battery. But while it was being shipped to us, the customer backed out, and the seller said, you know what, I have an offer from Tesla. They'll take it as is. So if we can sell it, let's do that. Otherwise, it's going to go to Tesla. So it took us about a month. We found a buyer for this car, and this car is going to Portland, Oregon as soon as we repair the battery pack. Some of these other cars came to us dead and then have been upgraded. Oftentimes, what they'll do is have the headlights refinished, because as you can see in this Roadster here, there is there's an anomaly that occurs with Roadsters where the clear coat begins to peel after a few years. And what we do is just simply resurface and put a more durable clear coat on those headlights. Sometimes these cars come to us with a problem and they then get upgraded while they're here. This particular one actually had special brake rotors and pads installed for performance. It also ended up becoming a carbon fiber hood vane car. And this car actually also received a carbon fiber hardtop, which is fairly rare in the Roadster world. And as you can see, there's carbon fiber all throughout this car. It has carbon fiber on the interior. We even have a carbon fiber charge port door. We have the carbon fiber scoops. And if you come back here, you can see that it even has the rear carbon fiber treatment, from spoiler to tail lights to the rear valance. These cars are now ready to go back to their owners, and we thought we would take this opportunity this morning. It's a beautiful Phoenix day, even in June, by the way. It's in the low 90s today. We thought we would bring them out here and parade them before they go back to their owners. As always, thank you for watching our videos. Be sure to subscribe. If you do so, we'll alert you to cool things like this, cool videos, cool tech, tutorials, and thank you.